Hello everyone, this is Neelam Tyagi and today I am going to discuss about the topic rational number and it is the fourth chapter of class 7. So let's start our topic. Our topic is rational number. So firstly, definition of rational number. A number is called rational number if it can be expressed in P upon Q form where P and Q are integers and Q is not is equals to 0. For example, 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 is a rational number because 2 upon 5 can be expressed in the form of A upon B and Q is not is equals to 0 means 5 is not is equals to 0. This is a rational number because it is expressed in P upon Q form. Every integer, natural and whole number is also a rational number as all of them can be expressed in P upon Q form. Integers can be positive or negative. Example, we can written minus 7 as minus 7 upon 1. So minus 7 is also a rational number. Next is 0 is a special rational number because it can be written as 0 upon Q where Q is not is equals to 0. So we can say that 0 is also a rational number because it can be written in the form of P upon Q where P and Q are integers and Q is not is equals to 0. Next is positive rational number and negative rational number. If both A and B means both numerator and denominator are positive or both numerator and denominator are negative integer, then it is a positive rational number. Example of positive rational number are 4 upon 5, 2 upon 5, minus 2 upon minus 9, 6 upon 5 and so on. And if A or B means if numerator or denominator any one is a negative integer, then it is a negative rational number. Example of negative rational number minus 5 upon 6, 7 upon minus 3, minus 4 upon 9, 7 upon minus 10 and so on. Next is standard form of a rational number. A rational number P upon Q is said to be in standard form if Q is positive means denominator is positive and P and Q have no common factor other than 1. Means SCF of numerator and denominator is 1. Example 21 upon minus 70 is equals to 21 divided by minus 7 and minus 70 is also divided by minus 7. Then our answer is minus 3 by 10. Now minus 3 by 10 is in standard form because here common divisor of numerator and denominator is 1 and denominator is also positive. Now next is representation of rational number on the number line. To express rational numbers appropriately on the number line, divide each unit length into as many number of equal parts as the denominator of the rational number and then mark the given number on the number line. Suppose for example we have to represent 3 by 4 in number line. So then we divide line between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts because 3 by 4 lies between two whole number and the whole numbers are 0 and 1. So we divide line between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. First part is 1 by 4, second part is 2 by 4, third part is 3 by 4 and last part is 4 by 4 means 1. And we have to represent 3 by 4. So we mark 3 by 4 at the third point and it is the answer. Now next is comparison of rational number. We can compare them by the method that we use for the comparison of fraction. If two rational numbers have the same positive denominator, the number with the greater numerator is greater. For example, 2 upon 7 and 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7 is greater. 9 upon 10 and 3 by 10 in 9 by 10 and minus 3 by 10 is 9 by 10 is greater. And if two rational numbers have different positive denominators, we using the concept of equivalent rational number first convert them to having the same denominator and then compare as usual. For example 7 upon 5 and 8 upon 7. So firstly we convert them into like rational number and after that we compare it. Means if we convert 7 upon 5 and 8 upon 7 into like rational number, then the answer is 49 upon 35 and 40 upon 35 and here are denominator are same, so we can easily compare these rational number. So 7 upon 5 is greater than 8 upon 7.